Hello everyone, this is Andrew Kelly. In the video editing section, the video editing playlist, I am done recording videos at this time. The direct reason is my system, my Debian 12 system, is running out of CPU cycles, and all the things that I'm trying to do are not working out well because when they fail, I look at the system monitor and sure enough, all the CPUs are running between 90 and 100%, and I have to start playing games with the task set utility. A complete waste of time. What I signed up for and what I wanted to accomplish is to come up with a way to do a simple webcam session, not necessarily about video editing. That was sort of like the side benefit that I was getting. And I hope that I have communicated well. Well, sorry, I know I don't communicate well. I'm certainly put the words in, but not necessarily in the same order, in the right order. In any case, I enjoyed this immensely, and I might put in a word or two sometime in the future if it comes up. I never say never. But if it does, and you're subscribed, you will get a notification, or you can check in every once in a while. I will be doing webcam sessions on other topics. I have a section for rolling your own cigarettes, for example. I have another one on spirituality. I'm sure that my mind will come up with something that's going to annoy a hell of a lot of people. So I look forward to that. In the meantime, hope you enjoyed this. I certainly did. And see you later. Thank you. Bye bye.